In this video I'll show you how to install a memory card on your Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, or actually a Steam Deck if you have a Steam Deck or any other mobile device that needs a microSD card. I have this AGI microSD memory card 1 TB, and the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V can support the SDHC standard XE or something like this. And I opened the tray of the memory card. I don't need a tool. These phones, they're made to just remove the tray without any tool using your fingernail. There is one side is the SIM card and the other side is the memory card. Here you have the shape. You can tell which way it goes in from the shape, and make sure you put the memory card with the pins facing outwards, because the phone needs to be able to read them. And when inserting the SIM card tray and the memory card tray, make sure it's sitting flush with the phone. So now the phone has the SD card inside inserted. It's a 1 TB SD card, and I did actually before I did a few tests on the computer and on the phone, but here I have few video files copied. I can play these video files from the memory card without any problems. There is no lag. These are 4K 60 video of HDR, so you can have any large file, it will just read normally. The speed, it's about 30 write and 40 read from the SD card reader, so that's about the limit. You might want to get even Amazon Basics card. This card I bought it with my own money. It's not a sponsored video, and I have links in the description if you want to buy any of these cards, to go to Amazon and check the different prices what they have now. And I was looking between the SanDisk Extreme Pro and the Amazon Basics actually, and this thing came up. It had a bit of a better price than the SanDisk, but it was more expensive than the Amazon Basics. So it is faster than Amazon Basics for short write bursts. So for gaming, actually this is a better card. I have a test program here. I could put a link in the description if you want. This is an open source testing program. It's pretty interesting, and that's the speed of the memory card as it is now in the phone. The write speed, sequential write, almost 37 megabytes per second, and the sequential read 44, about 43 to 44 megabytes per second. This is the performance of the card inside the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. If you have this card in a Steam Deck, it might be faster or slower, I'm not sure, or in any other phone. It all depends on the card reader built into the phone. So this is why you might want to not buy the fastest card, but when you copy the files on the computer, you can take out the card and put it in a card reader. Then you get the full speed for read and write. That's it. This is working for me. Thanks for watching.